Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the pound currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pound symbol on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. So to insert the pound currency symbol, first of all, open the spreadsheet here. Now, if you click on this insert option, click on this menu, go to the insert option. There is no insert symbol option present here. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. So here I'm just using Google keyboard. You can use your own keyboard. So first of all, you just click on this number section. Now you just see a dollar symbol. There is a hidden trick here. Just long press on the dollar symbol, you have this pop-up here. So here you can just choose the pound symbol from this. You can just choose the pound symbol, just long press it, choose the pound symbol. That's it. It's easy to insert the pound symbol. Otherwise, you just click on this here and you can insert the pound symbol like this. So this is how you just insert the pound currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video, which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.